Look at this AdSense dashboard. This shows exactly $333,080.07 in revenue generated from a single YouTube channel in 1 year. And if we look right here at the dropdown, you can see it is set to US dollars, not an inflated foreign currency. For the entire year, the creator spent less than 4 hours a week on the channel. This efficiency isn't an accident. It's the mathematical result of offloading every non-essential task to a system we're going to break down step by step. The leverage to pull that off comes from a highly structured production pipeline. Almost every stage, from the initial idea to the final metadata, is powered by Claude AI. But there is a massive trap here. If you tell an AI to write a script, generate a fake voice, and crank out faceless videos on autopilot, you end up with this: 100% automated slop. Viewers reject it, and YouTube frequently demonetizes these featureless accounts. To succeed, you have to treat AI as the tool, while you act as the director. You steer the ship. True monetization on YouTube requires a real human perspective. You use AI to handle the manual labor, which allows your authentic voice to reach a larger audience at scale. This is the pipeline. Taking a video from raw concept to final upload requires exactly 8 steps. Step 1 isolates the idea. Identifying a proven concept with AI eliminates the hours of guesswork that usually sync new channels. We do this using the icon method. Starting with a mathematically proven concept guarantees an audience exists for your topic. You aren't guessing what people want to watch. You're looking at the evidence before you start. Once you have the idea, you move to the packaging, generating a title, a thumbnail concept, and an intro hook all at once. These 3 elements make up the holy trifecta. They must be congruent, or viewers will click away instantly. You can feed your proven idea into Claude and ask it to generate matching titles, specific text for the thumbnail, and 3 different intro hooks in a single prompt. A quick caveat: while Claude is excellent at giving you layout instructions for that thumbnail, it is not currently built to render high-quality graphics. Take Claude's layout instructions and build the final design yourself using an external visual tool, or hand it off to a specialized thumbnail designer who can work from the AI's blueprint. It does not matter how good the rest of your video is. If the initial packaging sets a false expectation, nobody will stick around to see the content. That brings us to scripting. If you ask an AI to write a video script without context, it will give you generic, robotic dialogue that people can spot instantly. You need to train Claude on your unique voice. Start by feeding it 2 or 3 of your past video transcripts, so it learns your phrasing, energy, and specific terminology. Next, you perform a yap session. Instead of writing, you open an audio dictation app and speak naturally about your topic for 15 minutes. Drop that raw audio transcript into Claude. The AI organizes your thoughts into a structured script, keeping your anecdotes intact. From there, Claude shifts into the role of a creative director. You ask it to inject editor notes, on-screen text cues, and visual cuts directly into the margins of the script document. Now comes the step that requires your focus. You record the video yourself. Because the script is already structured around your voice, the recording session usually takes less than 30 minutes. Injecting your real human experience into an AI-structured framework builds the kind of authority that protects a channel from being flagged as low effort or inauthentic by YouTube's algorithms. After recording, you hand the footage over to an editor and use AI to optimize the final package for the algorithm. Take the transcript of your rough cut and feed it back into Claude. The AI can identify exactly where retention might drop and suggest specific B-roll placements to keep viewers engaged. When it's time to upload, Claude can write a keyword-rich description and map out your chapter timestamps in about 20 seconds. Finally, have the AI draft a customized pinned comment so you can immediately interact with your audience the second the video goes live. Automating these upload tasks ensures your video satisfies the search algorithm while you move on to the next concept. By offloading the research, drafting, and optimization to Claude, the creator's role is reduced to roughly an hour of recording and oversight per video. That is how a single channel scales to $333,000 on a 4-hour workweek. Millions of people type basic prompts into AI chatbots every day and earn nothing. The value isn't in the chatbot, it's in the system. The AI is the engine driving the process forward, but you are the director holding the steering wheel. You can apply this exact framework to your very next upload, or seek out dedicated coaching to build your channel into a professional business. Systematizing your production is what separates struggling hobbyists from creators who build real, long-term authority.